something wrong with me?
Look at him.
Time for a little shut-eye before. Order on!
A crew like you comes along maybe once in a lifetime.
Hey, a Splinter!
What is that putrid odor?
Oh, it's the Krabby Patty.
Squidward, are our heroes ready?
As they'll ever be.
Oh! They're beautiful! They look just like they did 30 years ago.
Pleasure.
I still have all my baby teeth, and look at me!
I tattled on him, and now he wants to strangle me with his diabolical hands. I hope they're not dirty. You sure?
Does this look unsure to you? Get these bags under my eyes! Even my bags have bags!
Problems happen.
But Squidward, you're a beautiful flower. You don't need to change it. Well, maybe a little work wouldn't hurt.
A half-eaten Krabby Patty. 2 moldy pickles. And some smashed potatoes that look like Squidward.
Gary's food! Yay!
I mean, a crew like you comes along maybe once in a lifetime.
Maybe it's the way you're dressed.